Okay, I just did it. I fixed an SX-1. Come on. Yeah, there we go. It's still responsive. Sorry for the super ultra ghetto speakers. Let's cue a bit. That thing is too bright. I don't know how much. Well, this is not gonna give a copyright strike because my father made this. And yeah, it's just working. It's just freaking working. Sorry, Mr. Black, if I'm stealing your phrases, but it's working. So, when you open up, we're here. When you open up the board, there's a metal bar. There's these 3 circuit boards, and they have surface mount caps. And I changed these. So that's all I did. It came right up. I turned it on, and no, it wasn't hanging at starting HDR. It wasn't hanging at mounting volumes. It just came up instantly. No problems. Here, got some blinking LEDs. It was one of the. I think that card had a few. Well, they measured good, but high ESR, like 6 ohms for 100 mic cap, and that's too much. And yeah, it's running. So we just did the fader calibration. Oh wait, not quite yet, but fader calibration ended. Now it's booting into BIOS. This hard drive makes a lot less noise. And yeah, there we go. We got the cursor. It's gonna upload the firmware. There we go. And it either hangs here or it hangs here. But look at that, mounting internal HD, mounting completed. Let's go over here. It's still got the boot screen on it. It's gonna come to life real soon. Starting mix, there we go. And it just came right up. No waiting or anything. Okay, I was running Quake now. But yeah, it's working.
Ja, und das ist das, was auf einmal weg war jetzt.
Ja, das ist der.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I suck at this game.